The ANDELI 135Amp 3-in-1 welder offers versatile welding modes including Flux Core Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA, making it suitable for a range of tasks. Equipped with an advanced LED digital display, this welder enhances visual clarity and operational efficiency by clearly showing welding data. With dual voltage capability of 110 and 220 volts and an output current of up to 135 amperes, it can effectively weld mild steel up to 1/8 of an inch. The SYNERGIC control system automatically matches voltage with wire feeding speed adjustments, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced welders. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 9 pounds, ensures portability and ease of transport, making it convenient for various work environments. Safety features such as automatic voltage fluctuation compensation and protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating extend the machine's lifespan.